Hey, want to make a cheap meal for your family? Tag along with me in this video and I'll show you a quick and easy recipe that is very cost effective that will not hurt your pockets. Okay, so let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make some rice and okra, and I added a hot dog in there because that's all I had at the house before I had to do grocery shopping the next day. So I just wanted to share this quick recipe for you guys. Again, this is very cheap. The okra for a pound, I got it for like $1 and some change, and the hot dog was already in the house. And like I said, the kids are home for the summer, they eating everything, and it was time to go do groceries. And I said, you know what, let me show you guys how to make a quick meal with certain things that you have at home. If you don't have okra, you can add cabbage, carrots, and stuff like that. I have another video very similar to this where you can make quick, cheap meals like this. So yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. So I went ahead and chopped up my okra like that, and I don't recommend the frozen okra. To me, it just doesn't taste the same as fresh okra, so that's why I'm using fresh okra here. After I chopped everything up, I went ahead and washed it, make sure there's no dirt on it and stuff like that, and I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side while I chopped up that one hot dog that I had. Again, this is something very cheap to make. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and 9 times out of 10 you already have this stuff in your refrigerator, especially if you're Haitian. If not, when you do go grocery shopping, try to get some of that stuff, so on those days where you don't have a lot, you can make something out of nothing. I don't even have epis, guys. Can you believe it? So I'm just using some minced garlic here just to give my rice some flavor. I am gonna go make epis after this video, and then I'll have that recipe for you guys as well, for those that has been asking for it for the longest. So now I'm adding the hot dogs, and I added my okra in. I'm going to stir it, and then I'm going to be adding some seasoning to it. I think when you add seasoning in this step right here, it helps the okra to hold on to the flavors, and therefore which will make your rice absolutely delicious. So I went ahead and added a season blend. This season blend in particular does not have any salt. I bought it, it's the same brand as the Morton salt, I believe that season blend is, but it has no salt added. I'm adding some adobo and a little bit of not Creole seasoning, some seasoned salt to it as well, and I'm going to stir it up again, let it saute for some more, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. For this particular recipe, I am cooking 4 cups of rice because I wasn't trying to make a lot of food. Again, this was just something, really quickly, really cheap to make, because I did not feel like, doing grocery shopping. And I was like, you know what, let me just make this for the kids. And I didn't even know that they were gonna like it, to be honest, but they actually did. And I do have a 6-year-old for reference, and she actually ate about 3 times, so that should let you know that your kids will actually like this. Even if you as a person don't like okra, I really think you should try it. You won't be disappointed, I promise you that. So now that I added everything, I added a Saxon on there just to get my rice to look yellow. I went ahead and washed my rice. Again, I am cooking 4 cups of rice, so I added 5 cups of water to my pot. Now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice in. You know what I always say, make sure you taste your food, guys. Make sure you taste it as to your liking, and if it's not, you can add some more seasoning. Don't be afraid to season your food. Season it to your particular preference. I love to say that as well. So yeah, do what works for you. And now I'm adding butter, and butter, man, I think that was a little bit too much. I got carried away, but you know what, it made it taste even better. It brought all the flavors together. So yeah, I'm adding a little butter here. I'm stirring it, and then once that water is fully evaporated from my rice, I'm gonna go ahead and use parchment paper to steam it, and then it will be cooked. So this really did not take a long time to cook, guys. From start to finish, less than 30 minutes. So again, I hope this meal will be a good fit for your family, especially with the way our economy is right now. Especially when you have a bigger family. I consider a family of 5 to be a big family, and not a family of 5. So I think this was perfect for us. So I hope that this will help you guys as well as we get through these tough times right now. So yeah, put some parchment paper on there and I just cover it up and let the steam do its thing. And in about 5 minutes or so, this is what it looks like. I love using the parchment paper, by the way, because as you can see that steam, that water that it made, I love that because you will see now how perfect my rice look. And I absolutely love using the parchment paper, preferably than the aluminum foil paper that we use. So yeah, here it is now. This is what it looks like, and I'm telling you guys, it is so delicious. So give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think, how you feel about it. Are you gonna try it? Have you had this before? Haitian growing up, did you like when your parents used to make this? Let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in your next video. Bye guys.